To reset the scores to 0 0, press function and then press reset all key. It will reset to 0 0. These two buttons A and B are for the scores of the two players or teams, and these are for sets won by each team A and B. This is to increment the set number. Now we start playing the first set. We put as set number 1. Start incrementing the scores of team A or B, and with a single press it increments by 1. Suppose we have made a mistake and we want to decrement the score of team A. We long press the team A button. It will decrement by 1. Now suppose the first set is over. We reset the scores of the teams. It will turn to 0 0, and the sets is won by first set is won by the team A. So it increments. Then again we start scoring for the second set.